To use Google Maps on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, first of all, you have to make sure that you have turned on location on your phone, on your watch. So go to the settings on the app list, and over here we have to go for location and make sure that you turn it on, but also make sure that you grant permission for Google Maps for all the Google Play services and for the Google Maps. So go to the Google Maps and select allow all the time, and you can additionally use precise location to get the best results. Now you have to go back from this one when you finish, and we have to just go into the main screen one more time and open Google Maps. Now as you can see, you can make a search. Let's say that I want to navigate to Vienna, so I have to just click here and I can decide if I want to go by driving, by public transport, walking, cycling. Let's say that I'm gonna walking. You can actually dismiss this one, click OK, and now as you can see, you've got your navigation. You can zoom in and zoom out. And now if you got this screen, you can just click here to go back to the map, and you can just gently zoom in and zoom out. If you want to finish, you can just click over here and you can exit just like this.